In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voices to Elevenlabs. Whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your creative options, this process will help you bring unique voice elements into your projects. So let's jump right in and explore this easy-to-follow method together. First, you want to navigate to your dashboard, where you'll find a variety of options to manage your voice projects. Look for the Voices section, symbolized by a plus sign, which indicates adding the new content. It's the perfect spot to begin since you can manage and organize the different voices you plan to use in your work seamlessly. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to proceed by selecting the Instant Voice Clone option. Remember, this feature is incredibly powerful, but it's important to note that it's not available with the free subscription. So you'll need to ensure you're on a plan that offers this capability in order to proceed. Next, it's time to personalize your voice by adding a unique touch. Start by giving it a name. This might sound trivial, but naming your voice can help keep your projects organized, especially if you plan on creating multiple voice clones. After naming it, the next step involves uploading your voice recording. This is where the magic happens. The system uses this recording to generate a new, unique voice. When choosing a recording, make sure it's clear and of high quality to get the best results. Now, once you've uploaded your recording, it might take a little bit of time for the system to process and load everything. During this period, patience is key. Once the loading completes, consider adding labels to your voice. Labels can include details like gender and accent, which are incredibly helpful in helping you quickly identify and choose the right voice for your projects. Finally, you'll reach the last steps, which involve some essential but often overlooked legal requirements. Make sure to tick off the checkboxes to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. This step is crucial as it ensures you're fully compliant with the platform's guidelines. Once that's done, you'll find the Add Voice button. Click it, and just like that, your new voice will be successfully added to Elevenlabs, ready to be implemented in your next creative endeavor. With these steps, you're all set. Experiment with different voices, try out various accents, or even clone a voice for a specific character in your narrative projects. By following this process, you'll be able to enhance your creative toolkit substantially. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you add exciting new voices to your projects with confidence.